Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best beauty products on the market. Today, we are talking about the best Eefofnn Lashes. A must-have for anyone looking to achieve that flawless lash extension look from the comfort of their own home. If you've ever wanted to get salon-quality lashes without the hefty price tag or long appointments, this Eefofnn DIY Lash Extension Kit is exactly what you need. It includes everything you need to create stunning, voluminous lashes. Inside the kit, you'll find 200 fluffy lash clusters, along with a 2-in-1 lash bond and seal to keep your lashes in place all day long. Plus, it comes with a pair of precision tweezers for easy application. The individual lash clusters come in a variety of lengths from 10mm to 18mm, allowing you to customize your look to perfection. Whether you're going for a subtle, natural look or a bold, dramatic effect, you have all the tools to create your ideal lash style. The D-Curl fluffy clusters are handmade from synthetic fibers, making them lightweight and comfortable to wear. These lashes are designed to mimic the look of Mink lashes, adding a touch of luxury to your daily beauty routine. Application is a breeze, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. The easy-to-use bond and seal formula ensures that your lashes stay put for hours, and the clusters can be applied with just a few simple steps. With this lash extension kit, you can achieve the perfect volume and curl every time, without the need for professional help. What's great about this lash kit is its versatility. You can wear it for everyday looks, special occasions, or even parties, and it's designed to last for a long time. No more worrying about your lashes losing volume or falling out during the day. The Eefofnn Lash Extension Kit is perfect for anyone looking for a quick, easy, and long-lasting lash solution. So if you're ready to take your lash game to the next level, the Eefofnn Lash Extension Kit is a must-try. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews.